The moment you get your keys is the exact moment the clock starts ticking on your home warranty and your ability to catch expensive builder mistakes. You need a strategic plan for your first 30 days to ensure that your investment is protected and that your family is safe in their new environment. Start by changing every single exterior lock and reprogramming your garage door openers, because you never know who still has a copy of the construction keys. Locate your main water shutoff valve and the electrical panel immediately, so you are not fumbling in the dark. During a midnight emergency, test every smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm on each floor to verify that the batteries are fresh and the sensors are fully operational. Update your mailing address with the post office and your bank to prevent sensitive financial documents from falling into the wrong hands at your old residence. Create a digital folder to store photos of every serial number on your new appliances so you can easily file a warranty claim if something breaks. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to download our first month ownership checklist and subscribe to learn how to manage your home like a pro.